Hello, I am Gilberto Damian Barajas, a student here at National University with ABA 624 Measurements and Design, and this is my overview video presentation. So for question number one, provide an overview of your progress by speaking of my data. So I have my data written down and I have it also on my computer. But as of right now, I'm just gonna tell what I have written down. So I believe I have been reaching my goal since week 3. That may also answer the objective question in number 4, but for now, let's see, Deck 2 was added week 3, and I stayed above a score of 20, which my objective goal was actually to be above 13. And on the 16th of May, I hit that goal after the 5th trial on the first day. And I kept it up. For week 4, the last trial, I stayed at 21. And I believe I've kept it pretty much there up until last week when I believe I made it just above like 20, around 23 or 24. So I've been better about keeping it on a good note or on a good level. So yeah. Okay, so for question number 2, how did you study for the course? So for that, of course, SAF studying Deck 1, 2, and 3 at a time. Of course, so what I did was I kind of typed up all the key terms onto like a layout. I'll show you right here. This is just an example from the previous course, but something like this, just typing it up. I don't have the one for this course, but I have it typed up but just not printed out. But that's kind of, it's made it easier for me to keep track of all my SAFMEDS cards. Like I have it on my phone and all that. Then I did the required readings. I try to attempt to finish them by Monday night the latest, but if not, by class is when I try to finish them. And by that I do it by reading 30 minutes a day, and at least the very least 30 minutes a day. So that also goes on to question number 3. So as for question number 3, what adjustments did you make in the course? So I did much better this course compared to last one, where I completed my readings by reading at least 30 minutes a day. It wasn't that hard to read the chapters, and especially small sections of it. And of course, I just kept reading my SAFMEDS over and over, and especially right before doing all my trials. Last course, I believe I didn't really have very proper time management, that I couldn't fit more than 30 minutes into the time. So it was like I was reading for 15 minutes and I did my SAFMEDS for 15 minutes. Now I'm able to fit a whole hour per day. That was a big adjustment that I made to my schedule. So and as for question number 4, did you meet your objectives? I will be honest with you, yes and no. Definitely could have studied more. That's a big one. I believe for my next course, I will go ahead and make that adjustment. And I did not form a study group like I hoped I could, especially with this course, but hopefully the next one I can. And I didn't give myself pop quizzes like I did in the last course either, like I said I would. So, but I did hit my goals as I was doing the SAFMEDS cards and the trials and all that. So I believe, like I said, it's a yes and a no.